There's three types of charts. As you can see, the first one being on the left there, a line chart, this guy here. So you can see it takes the price and it just aggregates it over an average and creates a smooth line. The bar chart, you can start to see a little bit more detail. I'll get into more detail about each one of these, what it all means in about a second here. But just so you can see, so this is the least amount of detail, this is a little more detail, and then this is the most amount. This is a candlestick chart. So you can see from line to bar to candlestick, you're getting the least amount of information, a little bit more, and the most amount. Now, what kind of information can we get out of this? I'm sure you guys are like, what does this even mean? There's a whole bunch of lines and charts, and why are some really big and some really short? We'll get into that, so stick with me. Here we go. So, candles. What is a candle? Candle is a term to represent the open, the high, the low, and the close. And this is separate for each time period you want to display. So what is an open? An open is where the candle started its formation. So if we were looking at this bullish candle here, the open was right here. Now a high. The highest point is that the price action reached during that period. So from here it opened and it reached all the way up here in price. So if you imagine this is $0 and this is $1, it went from 0 to 1 in one candle. Hypothetical numbers, right? Now the lowest point is the price action that reached during that period. So we opened here, we reached a high, we came all the way back down past the open, created a low, right? And then there's the close. And then we moved, the price action moved all the way up here and closed here. So close is where the candle closed its formation and created a new one. So we've got our open, our high, our low, our close. Now what are these lines and this big square rectangle indicate? So this is the body. The body always indicates the open and the close. Now the green and the red determine in which way it opened or closed. So if you notice, the bullish candle here opened at the bottom and closed at the top. That means it's bullish. So it opened low, closed high. That means price action moved upwards, which would indicate a bullish candle. And then vice versa for bearish. So price opened high, closed low, which means price moved downward, which is a bearish candle.